Here's how I run my whole business with AiNovu. Just me and Claude. If you're a business owner struggling to use AI to save time and grow, you're not alone. Most people have no idea where to start. Today, I'll show you how to set up Claude to automate your work and save 10 hours a week. Forget the desktop app. We're using Claude right here in your browser. First, let me show Claude who you are. Go to the bottom left and hit Settings. Look for Instructions for Claude. This is where you type the basics about your business. But here's the real secret. Don't let AI just agree with you. Turn it into a brutal sparring partner. Add a line telling it to challenge your ideas and point out your weaknesses. For example, I'm the founder of AiNovu Agency. I help hospitality and service businesses. I want critical feedback. Identify the flaws in my reasoning, question my assumptions, and highlight any gaps in the data. Now let's test it. I'll ask, what is the fastest way to make an extra $1 million? Look at this. Claude immediately points out the flaws instead of just giving me feel-good lines. It tells me the truth. Straight talk, no hype, and it challenges my assumptions along the way. And here it is, a full critical assessment. What's working in your favor and what will challenge you? And just like that, Claude gives you the honest truth, not the hype. Now let's talk about connectors. This is what gives Claude its real superpower. On the sidebar, click Settings, then click Connectors. Let's find Gmail and click Connect. Claude asks me to log in and approve access to my account. And this is the safe part. You decide exactly what Claude can touch. Reading your emails is automatic, but anything that changes something, like sending a reply, always needs your approval first. So you stay in control the whole time. Now we go back to chat, and there we go. Gmail is now connected. From here, Claude can read your email, understand it, and even draft replies for me. And it only does what I tell it to. No more copy-pasting between tabs. Now I'll ask Claude, what are my latest 3 unread emails? And let's see, it's connected. It asks if I want to open any of these or draft a reply. I'll say, draft a reply to the booking inquiry. And now it's working. Claude drafts a professional reply and saves it to my Gmail. It created the draft, so I can find it in my drafts folder, review it, and send when ready. It even asks if I want to adjust the tone or the pricing. Now we have the email, and if I want, I can change something or send it as it is. Maybe set an offer valid until the 30th of June, and we just send it. That's it, very nice, very professional. And I think this will save us a lot of time. Now let's try something creative. We'll connect Canva to our account. Go to Connectors, then Customize, search for Canva, and click on it. We allow Canva to access our account, and I authorize everything. And now it's connected. Now we go to chat, and I ask Claude, use Canva to create a promotional flyer for my business. Claude uses the Canva integration, and we wait while it generates 4 different design options. It plans the story, adds everything, and finalizes the design. We just wait. And look at these beautiful flyers Claude made for us. Very nice. There are 3 types and one a little bit different. These are my brand colors. I already have my brand kit saved in my Canva account. I'll choose number 2, and I want to add something to it. Claude asks which one is my favorite, and I tell it I like number 2. But I also want to add a promo code with the name Summer. Claude asks which promo code I like, and I choose Summer 30. Short and punchy. Now it updates the design, and everything is saved to my Canva account. It adds the promo by updating the book, a free 30-minute discovery call button, with the Summer 30 code and 30% off. It asks if I want to save the changes. I say yes, and I also ask for the link to my Canva account. Claude saves the changes and gives me a direct edit link. I open it. And look, we're in my Canva account, with the Summer 30 code right here. Now you can change anything, the colors, whatever you want. And you can download it and send it to Instagram, Facebook, your email, or your desktop. Now, what if your app isn't in the official directory? For example, let's say we want to find the app Blotato. We search here in the connectors, but we don't find it. So what do? There's a solution. Apps like Instagram, you can find right here. Go to Add Custom Connector, give it a name, and paste the remote MCP link. Click Add and you're good to go. You can also open Advanced Settings. Now you can add Blotato. It's a powerful content automation platform that helps creators and businesses generate and post their social media content. But I want to show you how many apps you can find here and how powerful they are, just like Canva, which we use today. These connectors make your life so much easier. Think about the power of combining these tools. For example, Claude can scan your Gmail and create a Canva graphic from it. And there are dozens of other integrations here. Look at apps like Slack or Shopify. These are very powerful tools. HubSpot or Zapier, tools that many people use every day. Now you can connect them to Claude and create content much more easily with every tool. In the next video, I'll show you how to integrate Instagram into Claude and post everything from there. If you enjoyed this training, smash the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much.